Hi, I'm Jennifer, and today I'm going to show you how to run a meeting using Smart Meeting Pro software, Smart's interactive whiteboarding software for business. I think you'll find it so simple, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. When you enter a meeting room with a smart collaboration system, you can simply pick up a pen and begin writing notes. You can also use your finger to interact with the SmartBoard interactive whiteboard. You can use your finger to interact with files and applications on the computer, just like you would a mouse. Drag to move icons on the desktop, or double press to open applications. Make sure to make firm contact with the interactive display. Now let's take a look at how you can write notes using a smart collaboration system. All you have to do is pick up a pen from the pen tray. You can select the thickness of your pen, or a different color, and begin making your notes. You can write anywhere, on an application, web page, or even on the desktop. After you've made your notes, you can easily capture all of that information back to a whiteboarding file using the Capture tool. On the top right-hand corner of your desktop, press the Capture button to capture an image of your screen to a whiteboard file. Once you've captured the image to your whiteboard file, you can pick up the pen and make further markings. With Smart Meeting Pro 2.2 and a SmartBoard 800 series interactive whiteboard, you have dual user and dual touch capabilities, so two people can collaborate on the SmartBoard at the same time. If you bring your laptop to your meeting, you can still take advantage of Smart Meeting Pro capabilities with the files on your laptop, using the Smart GoWire Auto Launch cable. It allows you to run Smart Meeting Pro software on your laptop without having to install it. You just connect the GoWire to the interactive whiteboard and the other end to your laptop. The video cable is already connected. You can now interact with your files from your laptop on the interactive whiteboard and write over them in digital ink. You now have the option to either save or email your notes out by selecting File, Save As, or File, Send To. You can send these notes out in a PowerPoint, PDF, or whiteboard file format. When your meeting is done, you can simply disconnect the GoWire cable and it will remove all of the Meeting Pro software from your laptop. Or from your meeting room PC, you can simply select Reset Room, which will clear all your whiteboarding pages and files and prepare the room for the next meeting. So that's a quick overview of some of the things you can do with Smart Meeting Pro 2.2 software and your SmartBoard interactive whiteboard or display. For more information on other smart products, please visit smarttech.com/training. Thank you.